All right, Shu, how are you?
Doing good.
Yeah? Could you tell me what we're gonna be doing today?
We're gonna be jumping out of that beautiful plane right there.
That's right.
Perfectly good airplane. Still want to jump out.
That's it. How do you feel about that? Excited?
I'm excited.
Yeah, ready to go?
Oh yeah.
Is it your first time?
Nope, number 7.
Oh, number 7. Good. So we'll see you in the plane then?
Sounds good.
Yes.
Alright, I'm ready now, I ain't gonna fall.
Alright, Chu, we're halfway up right now. How do you feel?
Excited.
Ready to go?
A little hot in here, but
Yeah?
I'm ready.
So we'll see you on the ground then.
Sounds good.
Yes. Oh yeah! What was that?
Oh, amazing.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
What part was your favorite?
The free fall.
The free fall.
And then we did some spirals.
Nice.
All around good time.
Well, good. Thanks for jumping with us.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, that
Thanks,
was
Eddie.
nice.